Today, we successfully restored 3 AR2S batteries. These were severely bulged. We replaced the old cells with original high-quality cells. The voltage is now perfectly stable. This battery was completely dead due to long-term storage. We upgraded it with a long-life battery cell for extended flight time. All 3 batteries are performing like new. The voltage readings are excellent, and there are no system errors. Testing is complete and the batteries are ready for delivery.